Hi dear students, welcome to Mohan School of Maths. Last class we discussed the definition of sets and their representation. There are two different methods of representing as sets we already discussed. Today we are discussing some problems related to what sets. So let us move to class. It's me Mohan. So first problem, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. Okay, write the solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. See, x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 is what? A second degree equation. It is a second degree equation, a quadratic equation. So we have to find what? The solution of this equation. The set contains what? The set contains the solutions of this equation. This equation the solution is the set elements. So first you have to what? Solve this. How can we solve this? For solving this, we can use either factorization method or what? Using quadratic formula. So we can factorize this very easily. So there are two factors. Okay, x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. It's a second degree equation. So this is a second degree polynomial. Very easily we can factorize. There are two factors. The first element is what? Surely what? X. Because here x square no. Now the middle term is no. Here it is 1x. So the middle term is 1. That means we have to find two numbers which sum is what? 1 and product is what? Minus 2. Do you remember the method? Method of splitting the middle term. So the middle term is what? 1. So sum is what? 1 and the last term is what? Minus 2. So product is what? Minus 2. So we have to find two numbers such that their sum is what? 1 and their product is what? Minus 2. Which are the numbers? See, since the product is minus 2, the numbers are surely what? 1 and 2. There is no other possibility. 1 times 2 is what? 2. But we need what? Minus 2. Since the product is negative, either 1 is negative or what? 2 is negative. But here sum is what? No? Positive. So bigger number should be positive and what? Small number should be negative. So minus 1 into plus 2 is equal to minus 2 and what? Minus 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 1. Okay, so sum is 1 and product is minus 2. The numbers are what? Minus 1 and 2. So we can write here minus 1 and here what? Plus 2. So x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 into x plus 2 0 means either x minus 1 is equal to 0 or what? X plus 2 is equal to 0. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം അല്ലേ, രണ്ട് സംഖ്യകളുടെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് എന്താണെങ്കിൽ 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഷുവർലി the first number എന്താവണം? 0 ആവണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താവണം? Second number 0 ആവണം. So x minus 1 0 means what? No, x is equal to 1. X plus 2 0 means what? X is equal to what? Minus 2. So the values of x are 1 and what? Minus 2. So 1 and minus 2 are the elements of set. So we can write what? The set as set 1 comma minus 2. Set 1 minus 2. Hey. But if you don't know this method, suppose if you don't know this method, you can use what? The quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. അല്ലേ, നിങ്ങൾ 10th പഠിച്ചതാണ് solving a quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this equation x square plus 1x minus 2 0. What is a? A is equal to what? 1x square ആണ്. What is b? b എന്തിനാണ്? 1 ആണ്. c എന്താണ്? Minus 2 ആണ്. So here minus b become what? Minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square. b എത്രയാണ്? 1 ആണ്. So b square become what? 1 minus 4ac. 4 into a 1 ആണ്. c എന്താണ്? Minus 2 ആണ്. എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? It become 4 into 2. അല്ലേ? Minus 2 we can write plus here. So that's divided by what? 2 times a 2 into 1. That's equal to minus 1 plus or minus. What is 4 into 8? 8 plus 1? 9. What is square root of 9? It is 3. divided by what? 2. So, minus 1 plus or minus 3 by 2, this we can write minus 1 plus 3 divided by 2 or what? Minus 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So, what is this? Minus 1 plus 3, it is 2. 2 by 2 is what? 1. Minus 1 minus 3 become what? Minus 4 divided by 2 is what? Minus 2. So, what? 1 and minus 2 are the solution. So, the set is what? 1 comma minus 2. 1 and minus 2 are the elements of the set, are the solutions of this equation. Correct now? Now, question number 2. Write the set of all x such that x is a positive integer and x square less than 40 in roster form. Okay? A set is given. The set is given what? In set builder form. What is the condition given here? The condition is x square is what? Less than 40. X square is less than 40. So we have to write this set in roster form. The condition is x is what? A positive integer. X must be a positive integer and x square is what? Less than 40. So it is very clear that 1 square is equal to what? 1. 2 square is equal to what? 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is what? 16. 5 square is what? 25. 6 square is equal to what? 36. And what is 7 square? 7 square is what? 49. So, x square is less than 40 means 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. These are all what? Less than 40. These are numbers what? Less than 40. So, what are the values of x? The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, the set we can write what? Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we know that in roster form means what? We have to write all the elements satisfying the condition x square less than what? 40. So, x should be an integer. X എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഒരു integer ആയിരിക്കണം. Positive integer ആയിരിക്കണം. എന്തായിരിക്കണം? x square എന്തായിരിക്കണം? Less than 40 ആയിരിക്കണം. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the elements satisfying this condition. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, third question. Write the set A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. in set builder form. Okay, a set A is given. What is set A? A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. This is a set given. But this set is what? Given in roster form. It is given in roster form. All the elements are given. We have to convert into what? Set builder form. നമുക്ക് ഇതിനെ set builder ഫോമിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയതാണ് അല്ലേ റൂൾ മെത്തേഡിലേക്ക് മാറ്റിയതാണ് നമുക്കറിയാം in rule method we use what? We use a symbol x. We use a symbol x representing all the elements. Okay. Then what? We put a colon. ഇങ്ങനെ വായിക്കും നമ്മൾ x such that. Now what is the speciality of these elements? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 എന്ന എലമെൻസിൻ്റെ എന്താണ് ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക്? ഇതിന് മാത്രം ബാധകമായ ക്യാരക്ടറിസ്റ്റിക് അല്ലേ? നോക്കൂ ഇതെല്ലാം എന്താണ്? 1 എന്താണ്? 1 സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. 4 എന്താണ്? 2 സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. 9 3 സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. ഇത് 4 സ്ക്വയർ ആണ് അല്ലേ? 5 സ്ക്വയർ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം എന്താണ്? ദീസ് ആർ ഓൾ സ്ക്വയർ ഓഫ് എ നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പർ. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് ആർ വാട്ട്? സ്ക്വയേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് natural number. So we can write what now? X such that x is what? Square of എന്താണ്? Natural numbers. Square of natural numbers. So x such that x is square of natural numbers. This also we can write. See, also we can write now set of all x such that x is equal to. But എന്താണ് x നോക്കൂ? 1 square, the 2 square, അല്ലേ? Generally we can write what? X is equal to n square. X is equal to n square. n എന്താണ്? n 1 ആകുമ്പോൾ 1 square, 2 ആകുമ്പോൾ 2 square, 3 ആകുമ്പോൾ 3 square, 4 ആകുമ്പോൾ 4 square. So n is a natural number. n എന്താണ്? It is a natural number. Now this way also we can write a is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to n square and what? N is what? A natural number. N belongs to capital N. Okay. So these are the ways. Write what? This in set builder form. Now question number 4. Write the set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7 in the set builder form. We have to write what? In the set builder form. A set is given in roster form. A set is given. Suppose we can write what? A. A is equal to what? A set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 6 by 7. We have to express this word in set builder form, in rule method. So we can write now A is equal to what? Set of all x. We use x for denoting all the elements such that. Now what is speciality of these elements? So here these are all what? Fractions. Here numerator is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, 5, 6. The numerators are what? Natural numbers. So we can write x is equal to a natural number n. When n is equal to 1, see 1. When n is equal to 2, 2 will come. See 1 by 2 means what? No. When n is equal to 1, when the numerator is 1, but denominator it is 2. Numerator 1 ആവുമ്പോൾ എന്താണ് denominator 2 ആണ്, ഒന്ന് കൂടുതലാണ്. When numerator is 2, but denominator 3 ആണ്. So we can write here now n by n plus 1. n 1 ആവുമ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? 1 plus 2 ആയിട്ട് മാറും. So 1 by 2. n 2 ആണെങ്കിലോ 2 ആണ്, 2 plus 1 എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? 3 ആയിട്ട് മാറും. n 4 ആണെങ്കിലോ 4 by 5 ആയിട്ട് മാറും. n 6 ആണെങ്കിലോ 6 by 6. So we can write x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. ഇത് മാത്രം മതിയോ? പോരാ. കാരണം എന്താണ്? ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 6 by 7 വരെ മതി. 6 by 7 ശേഷം വേണ്ട. Up to what? 6 by 7. So x is equal to n by n plus 1, where n is a natural number. N is what? A natural number. And what? And n is less than or equal to 6. N is what? Less than or equal to 6. 6 വരെ മതി. 6 വരെ മതി. 6ൽ കൂടാൻ പാടില്ല. So A is equal to what? Set of all x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. N is a natural number and what? N is less than or equal to 6. So this is the set builder form of the given set. Now next question. List all the elements of the following sets. First one, B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x greater than minus 1 by 2 less than 9 by 2. And second one, C is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4. And third one, F is equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes what? K. Okay. So there are 3 questions given. Okay. There are 3 questions or 3 sets given. All are what? In set builder form. Okay. We have to convert into a roster form. List all the elements. എല്ലാ elements എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്? ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. That means we have to write what? In roster form. നോക്കൂ first one B. B is equal to എന്താ വരും നോക്കൂ? Set of all x such that x is an integer, but the condition is x greater than minus 1 by 2 less than 9 by 2. നമ്മൾ നോക്കാം. Suppose it's a number line. This is a number line. Here what? Suppose it is 0. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one now 5. Here it is what? Minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. Here it is now minus 1 by 2. എവിടെ minus 1 by 2 വരിക? Minus 1 by 2 means in between 0 and minus, 0 and minus 1. ഇവിടെയാണോ? Minus 1. This is minus 1 by 2. And where is 9 by 2? 9 by 2 എന്താണ്? 4.5. It is 4.5. 9 by 2 something here. 9 by 2. So in between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2, 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So the integers between minus 1 by 2 and 9 by 2 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is equal to what? Set 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the elements of what the set B. Isn't it? Correct now? Okay. Now next one is what C. What is C now? C is equal to what? Set of all x such that x is an integer. What is the condition? X square less than or equal to 4. X square less than or equal to 4. See, x square is suppose 4. Suppose x square is 4. So what is x? X is equal to what? Square root of 4. That's equal to what? Plus 2 or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. So square root of 4 എന്താണ്? Plus 2 ആവാം, minus 2 ആവാം. നമ്മൾ ഈ പ്ലസ് ടുവിൻ്റെയും മൈനസ് നോക്കൂ. ദിസ് ഇസ് minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. എന്താ പ്രത്യേകത? വാട്ട് ഈസ് minus 2 സ്ക്വയർ? minus 2 സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ്? 4 ആണ്. എത്ര? minus 1 സ്ക്വയർ 1 ആണ്. 0 സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ്? 0 ആണ്. 1 സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ്? 1 ആണ്. 2 സ്ക്വയർ എന്താണ്? 4 അല്ലേ? സോ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ലെസ് ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 4 അല്ലേ? എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ 4 കുറവായാൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ 4 കുറവാവണമെങ്കിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും എക്സിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ? minus 2 ആവാം, minus 1 ആവാം, 0 ആവാം, 1 ആവാം, 2. സോ വെൻ എക്സ് സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ലെസ് ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു 4 മീൻസ് the value of x are what? minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So C is equal to what? Set minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 are the integers. These are the integers satisfying the condition that what? X square less than or equal to 4. Now one more is there now, F. What is F? F is set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes k അല്ലേ? കെയുടെ പിറകിലുള്ള കെ വരെയുള്ള എന്താണ്? കൺസോണൻസ്. വിച്ച് ആർ ദ കൺസോണൻസ്? വി നോ ദാറ്റ് എ, ബി, സി, ഡി, ഇ, എഫ്, ജി, എച്ച്, ഐ, ജെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ ഇസ് വാട്ട്? കെ അല്ലേ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് കെ. സോ ദീസ് ആർ ദ English alphabet അല്ലേ? But here A is what? Not a consonant. And what? E is not a consonant. And what? I is also what? Not a consonant. These are vowels. So which are the consonants now? B is there. Then what? C. And what? D. Then F, G. And what? H. And what? J are the these are the consonants precedes what? K. K ക്ക് പിറകിലുള്ള കൺസോണൻസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? ബി, സി, ഡി, എഫ്, ജി, എച്ച്, ജെ ആണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ these are some examples, some questions what related to what? Sets and how to write, how to convert a set word into roster form and roster form into what? Set builder form. അപ്പോൾ ഇതോടുകൂടി നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ് അവസാനിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. ബാക്കി നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കാം. എല്ലാവരും വീഡിയോ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. And thank you very much for watching my class.